We'll guide you through how to make text bigger in Google Slides. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Windows on your computer and make sure you are on the main desktop screen. Next, move to the search bar and type Google Chrome into it. When the search results appear, click to open Google Chrome on your computer so that the browser launches properly. After the browser launches, move your cursor to the address bar at the top of the window. Type Google Slides in the address bar and press Enter on your keyboard to search for the website. From the search results that appear, click on the official Google Slides website to ensure you are accessing the correct platform. Once the website loads successfully, make sure you're logged into your Google account so you can create and edit presentations. When you're logged in, the Google Slides homepage will appear, showing your existing presentations and template options. On this page, you can either create a new blank presentation or open an existing presentation example from a list. For this tutorial, we will start with a blank presentation to demonstrate the process from the beginning. Click the Blank Presentation option to create a new slide deck. Once the presentation opens, you will see a default layout with text boxes labeled Click to Add Title and Click to Add Subtitle. Click on one of these text boxes to begin adding text. Then type the text you want to display on your slide. After entering your text, you may want to adjust its size to make it more visible. To do this, highlight the part of the text you want to make larger by clicking at the beginning of the text and dragging your cursor across the desired section. Once the text is selected, move your cursor toward the top of the screen where the toolbar is located. Hover over the toolbar and find the font size column, which is represented by a box icon containing numbers. Click on this option to open a pop-up menu displaying various font size choices. From the list, select the font size you prefer. For example, choose 60 to make it larger than the initial size of 52. After selecting the size, your text will immediately appear larger on the slide. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Shift+dot to increase the font size gradually, with each click increasing the size by one level.